What's up, guys? Check out what I was able to sell today on eBay. So first off is shoes for women, Veja. I didn't know too much about them until I looked them up because they felt nice quality. Sold those for to Fernanda in Hollywood, Florida for $69.99 plus shipping. I believe $8 shipping. Yes, sir, $8 5 shipping. Then I sold this Delta Arvo for $50 plus $10 shipping. And I got both these items for $7. And then the last item I sold today was this 2-pack cleaner things. And I sold it for $7 plus $4 and 15 shipping. I got a huge box of these and I just been selling them for like $1 profit. I think I'm gonna make more now because I raised the price. But I got like 33 of them for $10. So I got a nice bulk deal. Now I'm gonna show you the items right here. The shoes, the sink, faucet thing, and then the Metro, which means if you know what I mean, you know what I mean.